Hey guys, it's Red Clover here, testing out my freaking helicopter. It has the bottom of it right here. It doesn't have the other wing, so I'm gonna test it out. Let's see how it does. Oh wow, that's pretty nice, huh? Bro, that cost money, bro. Too bad I can't have nice things. I got snow all over me. I got it, guys. Let's see how this thing does again, but wider and more open. Work. Ooh, it's vibrating. Go! Oh, wow. It just broke again. So amazing, bro. This is my new favorite helicopter. Seriously, guys. This is exactly why I can have my feet. Hold on, let's wait for the stabilizer. Oh yeah, that's real nice. That's real nice. That's super nice. Hold on, let's give it another test out. Hold on, let's give it another test. Oh yeah, that's real nice.